Hi everyone, are you ready to learn family members in Danish today? So let's get started.
Far, father. Mor, mother. Sin, son. Barn, child. Dada, daughter. Bror, brother. Sister, sister. Bedstefar, grandfather. Bedstemor, grandmother. Farfar, paternal grandfather. Farmor, paternal grandmother. Morfar, maternal grandfather. Mormor, maternal grandmother. Ekteman, husband. Kone, wife. Uncle, uncle. Tante, aunt. Svigerfar, father-in-law. Svigermor, mother-in-law. Svigerson, son-in-law. Svigerdætter, daughter-in-law. Now it's your turn. Whom are you loving the most in your family? Hvem elsker du mest i din familie? Please write in Danish in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Your love and support motivates me to create more useful content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Vi ses næste gang.